Namaskar. I am Surendra Patwadhan from Pune, India, the country of wisdom. So today we are going to talk about the world of ISO and other standards. We know that now in India and even abroad, so many ISO standards have been implemented. Various ISO certifications are going on. We know the history of ISO standards. The most popular standard is ISO 9001, which was initiated in 1987. Of course, we know that in 1980, a technical committee has been formed, ISO TC 176, and then thereafter the journey of ISO has been started. The first set of standard came in 1987, first revision and second edition in 1994, then 2000, then 2008, then 2015, and what we are now listening is 2026 version. So ISO 9000 initially talks about the quality of the system what you have. It is quality management system. So it's a system which supports to manage the quality. So quality management system is the basic standard which got evolved in 1987. Then eventually, apart from quality is nothing but the way you work. The various processes in an organization, any organization could go for that. We know that what is ISO? The basic current standard is ISO 9001:2015. ISO stands for International Organization for Standardization. 9001 is the unique serial number of the standard, and 2015 is the latest version of ISO which has been published in 2015. It talks about quality. The title is Quality Management System. So that is the first thing which came up in 1987. Then there was something called as EMS, Environment Management System. It was in 1996 when it came up, and then 2004, 15. Then there was Health Safety Related, OHSS, 18,001, 1999. Then it got changed into 2007 as its first change, and now it's ISO 45001, 2018. Then Food Industry 22000, Information Security Management System, it is in 27001, both evolved in 2005 firstly, and then eventually they get, again the next changes were there. Then it was Energy 50001, then Medical Related ISO 13485, then there are so many standards which got evolved. Up to the 14064 series, it talks about sustainability, climate change and all. So there are multiple standards are there. So each standard is focusing on certain thing. We know that earlier it was QS 9000, then ISO TS 16949, and now it's IATF 16949 2016 as the latest version. So that talking about the automotive standards. It talks about it is more useful for working on industries who are involved in automotive manufacturing. So the multiple standards are there. Not only those ISO standards, but there are other standards. In India, we have got NAC, we have got NBA, and so many other standards we have. We have got NABL, NABH and all. Even some product related standards like CE marking, etc., etc. are there. In India, there is Indian Standard Institute and all. So multiple standards, multiple kind of activities which are going on. Even we know the business process engineering or TPM or Six Sigma, Lean Six Sigma, and so on and so on and so on. There are multiple standards. The focus of each standard is some kind of improvement in the organization. They help us to improve in certain area like 9000 for quality, 14 for environment, then health safety in 45K, and likewise. So various standards have been published with the intent to improve at certain sector. And I think, as we all are aware, 9000 is a general standard. Any organization which is legally formed can go for ISO 9000. I am doing this since so many years. I started my own consultancy training and auditing firm in 1998. But prior to that, 4-5 years I was in ISO only. Till today and even hereafter, I am working as a trainer, consultant auditor, work in India and abroad. So we are trying to help organization to adopt any standards. We are more into trainings, apart from we are in consultancy, and we are into internal or second party audits. We help for various training like lead auditors, internal auditors, then standard awareness and many more. So hereafter we are going to see in our next videos about what are the things which are going to be helpful for us to implement. So we are going to see various standards. We are going to see the fundamental thing like what is risk assessment? What are the changes in risk assessment? What are the things we are supposed to consider? Likewise, each and every part. What is aspect impact? What's HERA? What is HACCP? And there are so many things. What are the legal requirement and so on. So in the next videos, from next video, we're going to see some peculiar parts, some peculiar standards, some peculiar philosophy. Let's see how it can be done. Instantly, I have worked in India and abroad as well in many countries. So that is going to help. I can give some practical support as well. I can give some practical hints how they should be implemented, how they should be implemented, and how they will be effective. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you everyone.